This video will show you how to restore an HMI backup application file .apa to an HMI project. First, we need to open Application Manager. If you don't have it here, you can go to Store and search for Application Manager. Select Restore Application. Next. Browse to the folder. Select the .apa file that you want to restore. Open. Next. Name it. Finish. Now we can close the Application Manager. To open an HMI project, we need to open Factory Talkstudio. Select the HMI project. Click Open. Yes. The HMI backup application has been restored to the HMI project, and now we can work on the HMI program. Thank you for watching.